Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. One of our subscriber asked to post a video of how to upload hex file in Proteus software. Now let us look about it. Now I am going to write the code for LED blinking in the delay of 1 second. In the first line, pin mode 2, output. The pin mode is used to tell whether the second pin is act as input or output. Here I make it as output because LED is an output device. Then digital rate 2, low. Here low means 0 voltage, so initially the LED will be off. Inside loop function, digital rate 2, high. Here high means 5 voltage, so LED will glow 1 second. In the next line, digital rate 2, low. Now the LED will off. This process will repeat continuously. For to get hex file of this code, just you go to file, then preferences, just enable compilation. If it is not enabled, just enable compilation, then OK. Then you can verify the code. Now compiling sketch. Yes, now done compiling. This code doesn't contain any error, so just scroll down. Yeah, .hex is a hex file. Just copy the whole path. We will upload this hex file in Arduino controller in Proteus software. Then open Proteus software and create one Proteus project file. There you can take Arduino microcontroller, then place it in your project file. Then search for LED. If you don't have Arduino in your Proteus software, then you can download it in Google by searching Arduino for Proteus. Now I have written in the code the second pin is connected to LED. So then ground, negative of terminal of the LED is connected to ground. So go to properties. This is the program file. Right click, edit properties. Then you will be having program file. There you can paste it that you copied from that code. Then click OK. You can run the code. Now the LED is blinking 1 second. Now it's off 1 second. This will repeat continuously. So thanks for watching this video.